Server hosting refers to the service of providing physical or virtual servers to individuals and organizations for storing and accessing data, applications, or websites. It's essentially renting space on a server to host your online presence. Understanding the different types of server hosting is crucial for making informed decisions about your specific needs. Firstly, there's shared hosting. In shared hosting, multiple websites share the resources of a single physical server. This is generally the most affordable option, making it suitable for small websites or personal blogs with limited traffic. However, because resources are shared, performance can be affected if other websites on the server experience high traffic volumes. Secondly, we have virtual private server, often abbreviated as VPS hosting. VPS hosting involves partitioning a physical server into multiple virtual servers. Each VPS functions as an independent server with its own operating system and dedicated resources. VPS hosting offers more control and better performance compared to shared hosting, making it suitable for growing businesses and websites with moderate traffic. Thirdly, there is dedicated server hosting. Dedicated server hosting provides an entire physical server exclusively for a single user or organization. This offers maximum control, performance, and security, making it suitable for large enterprises, high-traffic websites, and applications with demanding resource requirements. However, dedicated server hosting is typically the most expensive option. Fourthly, we can consider cloud hosting. Cloud hosting utilizes a network of virtual servers to host websites and applications. This offers scalability, flexibility, and high availability. Cloud hosting allows you to easily scale resources up or down as needed and provides redundancy to ensure that your website or application remains online even if one server fails. Cloud hosting is suitable for businesses of all sizes that require a reliable and scalable hosting solution. When choosing a server hosting provider, there are several factors to consider. The first factor is performance. Performance refers to the speed and reliability of the server. Look for hosting providers with fast processors, ample RAM, and solid-state drives, often called SSD, to ensure optimal performance. Secondly, there is uptime. Uptime is the percentage of time that the server is operational and accessible. Choose a hosting provider with a high uptime guarantee, typically 99.9% or higher, to minimize downtime and ensure that your website or application is always available. Thirdly, you should consider scalability. Scalability refers to the ability to easily scale resources up or down as needed. Choose a hosting provider that offers flexible scaling options to accommodate your changing needs. Fourthly, consider security. Security is paramount. Look for hosting providers with robust security measures such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and regular security audits to protect your data from unauthorized access. Fifthly, review their customer support. Reliable customer support is essential. Choose a hosting provider with responsive and knowledgeable customer support that is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to assist you with any issues or questions. Additional factors to consider include the hosting provider's location, the available features and tools, and the price. It's important to carefully evaluate your specific needs and budget to choose the right server hosting solution for your organization. Understanding server configuration is also vital. Server configuration refers to the process of setting up and optimizing a server to meet specific requirements. This includes installing the operating system, configuring network settings, and installing any necessary software. There are different operating systems, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Commonly used operating systems for servers include Linux and Windows Server. Linux is an open-source operating system that is known for its stability, security, and flexibility. It is widely used for web servers, database servers, and other server applications. Windows Server is a proprietary operating system developed by Microsoft. It is commonly used for businesses that rely on Microsoft technologies such as Active Directory and NET applications. When configuring a server, it's important to follow security best practices to protect against unauthorized access and cyber threats. This includes using strong passwords, enabling firewalls, and keeping software up to date. There are also different types of web servers. A web server is software that delivers web pages and other content to clients over the internet. The two most popular web servers are Apache and Nginx. Apache is an open-source web server that is known for its flexibility and extensive module support. Nginx is a high-performance web server that is known for its speed and efficiency. Database servers are another important consideration. A database server is software that stores and manages data. Popular database servers include MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Microsoft SQL Server. MySQL is an open-source relational database management system that is widely used for web applications. PostgreSQL is an open-source relational database management system that is known for its compliance with SQL standards and its advanced features. Microsoft SQL Server is a proprietary relational database management system developed by Microsoft. It is commonly used for enterprise applications and data warehousing. Understanding network settings is crucial for configuring a server. This includes configuring the server's IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS servers. The IP address is a unique identifier that identifies the server and the network. The subnet mask defines the range of IP addresses that are within the same network. The gateway is the IP address of the router that connects the server to the internet. The DNS servers translate domain names into IP addresses. There are also security considerations. Securing a server is essential to protect against unauthorized access and cyber threats. This includes implementing firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and regular security audits. A firewall is a network security system that controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predefined rules. An intrusion detection system monitors network traffic for malicious activity and alerts administrators when suspicious activity is detected. Regular security audits help to identify vulnerabilities and ensure that the server is secure. Performance optimization is also crucial for ensuring that a server is running efficiently. This includes optimizing the operating system, web server, and database server. Optimizing the operating system involves configuring the operating system to use resources efficiently. Optimizing the web server involves configuring the web server to handle requests efficiently. Optimizing the database server involves optimizing the database server to query data efficiently. Server monitoring involves monitoring the server's performance and identifying any issues that may arise. This includes monitoring CPU usage, memory usage, disk space usage, and network traffic. There are various server monitoring tools available that can help automate this process. Server maintenance is essential for keeping a server running smoothly. This includes performing regular backups, updating software, and performing security audits. Regular backups ensure that data can be recovered in the event of a failure. Updating software ensures that the server is protected against the latest security vulnerabilities. Performing security audits helps to identify vulnerabilities and ensure that the server is secure. Server virtualization is the process of creating virtual versions of servers. This allows multiple virtual servers to run on a single physical server, which can improve resource utilization and reduce costs. There are different types of virtualization technologies, such as VMware, Hyper-V, and Xen. VMware is a proprietary virtualization platform developed by VMware. Hyper-V is a virtualization platform developed by Microsoft. Xen is an open-source virtualization platform. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the Internet. This includes infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Infrastructure as a service, often abbreviated as IaaS, provides access to computing resources, such as servers, storage, and networks. Platform as a service, or PaaS, provides a platform for developing, running, and managing applications. Software as a service, or SaaS, provides access to software applications over the Internet. Serverless computing is a cloud computing execution model in which the cloud provider dynamically manages the allocation of machine resources. This allows developers to focus on writing code without having to worry about managing servers. Containerization is a lightweight form of virtualization that allows applications to be packaged with all of their dependencies and run in isolated containers. Docker and Kubernetes are popular containerization technologies. Docker is a platform for developing, shipping, and running applications in containers. Kubernetes is a container orchestration system that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm that brings computation and data storage closer to the edge of the network. This can improve performance and reduce latency for applications that require real-time processing.